You know that feeling when someone slowly starts slipping away? They don't tell you directly, they just fade. Short replies, long silences, energy that once felt warm now feels cold. And your heart, it wants to do something, reach out, fix it, explain. But here's what no one tells you. The more you chase someone who's already pulling away, the faster they run. Not because you're not good enough, but because they stop feeling the weight of your presence when you're always giving it for free. This video isn't about playing games, it's about power. The quiet, grounded, masculine kind of power that draws people back without lifting a finger. So let me break it down for you. Not how to manipulate, not how to beg, but how to become the one who's remembered, missed, and deeply respected after you walk away. Let's begin. Point 1. They're not confused. They just got comfortable. When someone pulls away, we assume they're confused. We start justifying their silence with soft excuses. Maybe they're busy, maybe they're overwhelmed. But here's the truth. People don't pull away because they're unsure. They pull away because they're comfortable. They think you'll be there no matter what. Your love, your attention, your loyalty, they believe it's unconditional. So the first step isn't to chase or clarify. It's to interrupt the comfort. Let the silence grow. Let the absence echo. Let them realize that your presence is a privilege, not a permanent guarantee. Because when they feel like they already have you, they stop showing up for you. But the moment you take that energy back, you shift the dynamic. Suddenly, you're not the easy choice anymore. You're the one they're afraid to lose. Point 2. Attraction. Dies in predictability. One of the most dangerous places to be in a connection is predictable, texting first every time, always saying yes, being available at their convenience. It feels like love, but it's really self-betrayal. Here's the thing, humans crave mystery. We're drawn to what we can't fully figure out. If every part of you is accessible, there's no space left for curiosity, no emotional tension, no contrast. So how do you make them come back? You stop being so obvious, not to play games, but to restore your value. Let them feel that they don't know where you stand anymore. Let them wonder why the version of you that once gave so much is suddenly quiet. Predictability kills attraction, but distance, that creates gravity. Point 3. Your energy is the message. You don't have to say a word. People can feel your shift before you ever post, text, or speak. When you pull your energy back, when you stop giving updates, stop reacting, stop feeding the dynamic, something changes. The silence grows loud. The absence speaks. And trust me, they notice. They might pretend they don't. They might not say it, but energetically, they feel it. The trick is to stop trying to deliver a message with words. Let your peace be the message. Let your lack of reaction be the message. Let your upgraded presence without them be the message. Because sometimes the loudest "I've moved on" is the one you never have to say out loud. Point 4. You're not waiting, you're rebuilding. This moment right now, it's not a waiting room, it's a rebuilding phase. Most people think, if I stay silent long enough, maybe they'll come back. But that mindset is passive, and passivity is poison. You want to know what actually makes someone come back? Growth. The version of you they left behind was still becoming, still figuring things out. Now you rebuild, quietly, consistently, without checking if they're watching. New habits, stronger routines, a sharper mind, a healthier body, a calmer spirit. Because when they do look back, what hits them hardest isn't the absence, it's seeing how much better you became without them. Point 5. They're not coming back until you stop needing it. Here's the paradox. The very second you need them to come back, they won't, because need repels. But the moment you don't care anymore, when you've truly let go of the outcome, something shifts. They start feeling something they haven't felt in a long time. Your absence without expectation. When you stop needing their validation, you become powerful. When you stop needing their attention, you become magnetic. It's not about pretending. It's about healing so deeply that their presence becomes optional. And at that point, if they come back, great. If they don't, even better. Because now, your peace isn't tied to a maybe. Point 6. Don't block them. Let them watch. This one might sound harsh, but it's powerful. You don't always need to block them. Let them see you evolve. Blocking can sometimes feel like punishment, but allowing them quiet access to your world without direct contact, that's a deeper kind of consequence. They'll see your life continuing, your glow up, your growth, your joy, and none of it includes them. That stings deeper than silence, because now they're on the outside looking in, and you're not performing. You're just living. No revenge, no reaction, just real progress. And the best part, you're not doing it for them, you're doing it for you. Point 7. When they return, it's a decision, not a celebration. Let's say they do come back. They reach out. They miss you. They want to talk. Here's where most men go wrong. They treat her return like a win. But it's not a celebration. It's an evaluation. Don't let their return override your reality. Ask yourself, did they grow too? Did they apologize with action, not just words? Did they come back because they saw your value, or just because they lost comfort elsewhere? You're not the same man anymore. You don't need what you used to crave. If she returns, she's not walking back into the same story. She's walking into your new standard, and this time, you decide whether she fits in or not. They might come back, but by then, you'll be unshaken, because this journey wasn't about making them miss you. It was about remembering your own worth. If you felt this message, drop the word unshaken in the comments. Not for them, but for you. Because real power doesn't chase. It attracts in silence, in growth, and in peace.